It's Angeline. I'm back with another crafty video with Unity Stamp. Today I'm going to show you how you can use glitter and ink on your stencils. So first, I already stamped this cute deer from the Woodland Cuteness stamp set by Unity. And I'm grabbing some Gina K Glitz glitter gel here along with some new Unity stencils here, which are so pretty. I'm also grabbing some distressed oxide inks here to ink up my background first. So I'm just grabbing 3 shades of colors here, which is the shaded lilac, tumbled glass, and worn lipstick. And I'm using a makeup blending brush to just blend all the colors into my card. Now I'm just grabbing the stencil and some Glitz glitter gel here in bubblegum color, and I'm trying to decide if I wanted to do half and half to kind of show the contrast. So I'm starting off with the hard confetti stencil here and some glitter paste, grabbing the stencil pal also from Thermal Web to just help spread the glitter more evenly and easily on my card. So I'm just grabbing a palette knife here and just putting some on the edge of the stencil pal and just dragging that along my stencil. Look how easy that is, and you can cover large surfaces like this really fast and easily as well. What I forgot to do here is actually put down some purple tape or masking tape at the sides, so that I didn't need to be so careful with my stencil pal, and you could do that to save some time as well. So for the extra, just scrape it back in and you're good to go. Once that is dried, I'm grabbing some white unicorn ink here and again my makeup blending brush and grabbing the love stencil to just ink up the white words in my background. So it kind of looks like a subtle design. I didn't want it to be too contrasting, so that the hearts on the left will be more outstanding. So finally, just adhere the deer and the sentiment to your card and you're all done. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!